how to download BlueStack in Windows 10 laptop or computer desktop. First, open any browser and go to search bar and search there BlueStack download. When you search BlueStack download, here you can see the official website of BlueStack, https www.bluestack.com. Then just click on it. When you click on it, here you can see the option of download. Just scroll down and you can also see the download option for Windows, Android, and so on, many options. Just click on that option, download BlueStack 10. When you click on it, your BlueStack download will start. It will take few minutes and download is completed. Then just click on it, and when you click on it, your BlueStack down installation will start it. Then from here, click on yes option. When you click on yes option, your BlueStack installation will start it. Then from here, click on install now, and then again click on I agree. When you click on I agree, your installations will be started and it will take few minutes. Now you can see my installation loading is completed, and then it will download and you can use BlueStack. Thanks for video watching.